front bathroom wall. And same bathroom wall after 5 minutes. Of course, a lot of filling to fit it properly, but it looks like looks great. Like I said, wall is inside the van, and right now will be the moment of truth, and we have to check if our earlier fiddling to set the walls straight was good or bad, because right now it have to be like a kind of square from the front. And of course, you know, your job can be only as good as like a materials you have. So I see, so you know, some of the splice here was bended, so I have to fiddle a bit, so we take a look how it looks. I wanna use this like a front. It's a perfect square as a temporary template. No, just like a ruler. Okay, so it shows. So here, see this ply I checked earlier is bended. So to tell the truth, all the dimensions from this side of the bathroom have to be. The dimensions are wrong because it's not square. So I have to release this. Take out these two screws and move this wall. Push it. Oh, it will be bended anyway, but probably will be better than it is. And here I left something like a 5mm space. Okay, I'm working here quite a few minutes, and it's totally true, it's better than I expected. It means when I switch, it looks worse. It was a bit dark, was like an old masking tape which was not parallel or something like that, so looks quite awful. It seems like I'm afraid, so these angles are really shitty. But right now when I switch on the light, start checking, it looks better than I expect. It means like only one, so it's a quite nice angle. It's not perfect, but this panel are like that. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's acceptable. The worst, this is like this pine ply was really bended on the bottom. Okay, it's just minutes to sticking. I will glue it. Of course it will be few screws, but I wanna glue it. I wanna use this ball stick. If anybody interested, somewhere on the top is a link to the video where I test the few bonding glues and construction glues, and it shows so the ball stick is the most expensive but the best from this what I test anyway. So I don't know if anything will be visible because probably I be in a place where camera should show anything, but let's try it. was easier and faster than I expect. Boom, 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 boom. So there's no place to where I can put the clamp here, especially on the top. Panel is a bit bended. I don't know how come it was on the edge near. It should be in a hole. See the gap, big gap on the bottom. Probably you'll not see. Yeah, we have to do something there. Okay. And right now we have to wait a bit till bond sets. Here I have like two shallow compartments. This is a compartment for fire extinguisher. Anyway, small by small, but small but exist. And here I don't know, probably maybe it will be like a torch, emergency torch or something like that. Here is like usually shelf. Some space inside using for switches.